Hello students, we are continuing with lesson 6 Weathering the Storm in Rasama, and we have read that on 27 October 1999 a devastating cyclone hit Risa, and there is a young boy Prashant, who had just went to his friend's house to visit him, to spend the day with him, and in the evening this storm gathered and the wind started blowing at the velocity of 350 km per hour. Even Prashant's friend's house, it was made of bricks and mortar, and it was enough to save them from that storm. But in the middle of the night, trees uprooted and fell on their house, and walls and roof of the house just damaged. So see now, the crazy destruction wrought by the cyclone and the surge of the ocean continued for the next 36 hours, although wind speeds had reduced somewhat by the next morning. So this crazy destruction, this huge destruction brought by the cyclone, and that surge, that rising of ocean, it continued for next 36 hours. Even wind speeds had reduced somewhat by the next morning. Even till the next morning, the wind speed it reduced. To escape the waters rising in the house, Prashant and his friend's family had taken refuge on the roof. So the house, it was filled with the water, and to escape from that water, Prashant and his friend's family, they have taken refuge, shelter on the roof. Prashant will never forget the shock he experienced at his first glimpse of the devastation wrought by this super cyclone in the grey light of the early morning. So in the grey light of the early morning, what Prashant has seen, that whatever the destruction he just saw, he faced, or this experience of seeing this destruction, he was not going to forget that. And the destruction brought by the cyclone, which he observed the next morning, a raging deadly brown sheet of water covered everything as far as the eye could see. Only fractured cement houses still stood in a few places. So a raging deadly brown sheet of water covered everything, and as far as I could see, and as far as the eye could see, or till where it was visible, only a brown sheet of water was visible, and which had covered everything, and only fractured cement houses still stood in a few places, and some fractured, some broken or ruined cement houses were visible in few places. Bloated animals' carcasses and human corpses floated in every direction. Bloated means swollen. Animal carcasses, dead bodies, and human corpses, dead body. Carcasses mean dead bodies of animals. So dead bodies of humans, people, and animals were floating in water in every direction. All round, even huge old trees had fallen, and even old trees, they had fallen. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the roof of their house. 2 coconut trees, they have also fallen on the roof of Prashant's friend's house. This was a blessing in disguise. Disguise meant to change the appearance, but here it means on the other hand, because the tender coconuts from the trees kept the trapped family from starving in the several days and that followed. So on the other hand, falling of these 2 coconut trees on their house, it was just a blessing for them, because, or it was just a God gift for them, because they kept themselves they saved themselves from starving, from hunger for several days, because of those tender coconuts. They kept eating those coconuts, which kept them alive for several days, because everywhere water was there. So how to go and what to eat. That's why these coconuts, they saved their life, you can say. For the next 2 days, Prashant sat huddled with his friend's family in the open on the rooftop. And for next 2 days, Prashant, he just sat huddled, sat closely with his friend's family in that open rooftop. They froze in cold and incessant rain, and they felt too much cold in that incessant and continuous rain. The rainwater washed away Prashant's tears. Now that it was raining heavily, that his tears were washed away. Now he was not shedding tears. The only thought that flashed through his mind was whether his family had survived that fury of the super cyclone. Was he to be bereaved once again? So he was only, or the only thought which was coming to his mind again and again, that was whether his family had survived the fury of the cyclone, whether his family members, they are alive or not. And was he to be bereaved once again? Bereaved mean to lose or lost someone because of death. Whether earlier he has lost his mother, now he was thinking whether he is going to lose someone again, whether he would be left all alone. 2 days later, which seemed to Prashant like 2 years, the rain ceased and the rainwater slowly began to recede. Now, after 2 days, which seemed to Prashant like 2 years, Prashant, these 2 days' time, it was just like 2 years for Prashant. Rain ceased, the rain stopped, and rainwater slowly began to recede. Recede means decrease. The water started now decreasing. Prashant was determined to seek out his family without further delay. Now, Prashant, he was determined, he decided to seek to find his family without any delay, without being late. But the situation was still dangerous, and his friend's family pleaded with Prashant to stay back a little while longer. But Prashant knew he had to go. Now, the situation, it was still dangerous. The situation, it was not normal. Still waters were there. So, and his friend's family pleaded with Prashant. His friend's family, they requested Prashant, they tried to convince him to stay back for some more time. But Prashant, he knew he had to go, but he had just decided that he would go. That's all.